You know what was not on my shopping list for today? This. But I found it at TJ Maxx. So let's open it. I don't even use hair dryers. I've never used a hair dryer. But I guess I will now. You're gonna have to forgive me because I'm gonna rip the box. But she's so pretty. She is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm very excited to try her out. I'm very interested about this piece. It's supposed to like help with flyaways. As you can see, I have like a lot of them. You see that? I don't know, maybe you can't see it, but oh, there you go. We can see it. So I'm very interested to try that out. I'll probably wash my hair again in the morning just to try it out, so I'll let you know. Still shook that I found it at TJ Maxx though, like come on.